Hi guys, a very good morning. Mamuka say, Mamuka say, Mamuka say. My name is Ronald Wekwa Makusha, and this morning we are talking about Mukoma Paradzai Mesi or Dara Paradzai Mesi and Mudiwa Hood. So Mudiwa has been put under so much criticism by various people, different people, because of his assistance to Mukoma Paradzai Mesi. Mudiwa Hood came, he assisted Mkoma Para, he paraded him through pictures, or he informed the people of Zimbabwe about Mkoma Paradzai Mesi. And a lot of people are saying it's not right, it's not good for Mudiwa Hood to do that. But he just came and said they embarrassed this man publicly, called him Rombe, Mbava, and all those sorts of names. Sadly, no one saw anything wrong with pictures and the videos of him in cuffs. So this is the picture, Team Zimbabwe. Mukoma Para, vakasungwa, vakaiswa njema, vakaiswa ngetani. And everybody was laughing at Paradzai Mesi, except a few who put the blame on the system to say, if the system was correct, these artists could have had some dignity. And Mkoma Hood came and said that let me put this man in such a way you can admire or you admire. This is the new Paradzai Mesi, the old Paradzai Mesi versus the new Paradzai Mesi. A gentleman there. Honestly speaking, Team Zimbabwe, I don't agree with Mkoma Mudiwa on some things at Iran, but on this one, I'm in Omega. Even if it was done for clout or whatever you might call it, honestly speaking, this is something which shows Guti Mukoma Paradzai Mesi, if he gets assistance or if he is managed well, he can do better. He can even change his life. To confirm song yake yakaimba rugare runouya wachembera dzimwe nguva watambura handizve it's rugare runouya watambura dzimwe nguva wachembera. So maybe rwatouya rugare mudhara achembera, maybe that song was prophetic, because kana zvikaramba zvakadai so muchiona wakadai so it will be a very very brilliant story. So hanzi panapa no one rebuked anyone, of course tabata mbavha, but this is a father of seven. Namo aisekanwe, I grew up poor and I know it. So to all those who know how poor, how hard it is to be poor, honestly speaking, if you are poor, even ukanzi namukoma Mudiwa uya ndikuratidze Zimbabwe yese ndikukupa mari yekunoinvesta, unongoendo because unongori murombo usina pekutangira, unongoto zviri nani kuti mapicha angu atekeshe here pano kuti ndife nenhamo. And you don't know kuti pamwe ndo paunotozoitirawo popular ipapo tobvisa fesi tobvisa unoziva kuti aiziva kuti vana Lauren Guyo vachabudirira nekuti ndinyengeiwo ndiani. We just saw this new girl coming out, popping out, what. Whether it was a mistake or whatever, or it was just a joke, whatever, but she became popular because of that Ndinyengeo stint. Everybody was ndiani. But where is she now? So sometimes these things we say why humiliate what was say. I believe could sometimes humiliation brings success, because ukatarisa vanhu vanotarisirwa pasi vaiva kazhinji kacho vanobudirira just because they remain loyal to themselves. Anozona saka I just believe kuti he was humiliated for the sake yekuti asimuke, and right now look at him. Kana pane vanhu vakamutora vakanomusiya mushopi iyoyoyo vakatomubatsirawo kuti asvikewo pachidanho ichi, because tarisaiwo mafitirwo akaitwawo nesutu guys. If this man is managed well and is given an opportunity to have his own investments, we can see a brilliant person, we can see a successful person in life. This Mukoma Para guys is somebody who is so successful panyaya dzemumanzi zvekuti you really need to hear. Regai ndimbonoona here song yaParadzai Mesi panapa, so that you hear for yourself. Kuti kati ndichitaura about Mukoma Para tine tichirevei. Let me just try to play this one. Okay. This is Mkoma Para. So this is one of the songs, guys. I am Kumapara, and it's a very brilliant song, a very beautiful song. Nekuti kana ukaiteerera nenzeve chaidzo chaidzo, unogona kuwana dzidziso yakasiyana siyana. But I just thank Mudiwa Hood for what he did. Pakubatsira ipapapa. I'm trying to find the rugare runouya wachembera so that we get to hear panapa. Let me see if this can play. So these are the songs dzamkomapara dzekuti unotonyatsokunzwa kugitari racho kuti ndere munhu anogona, but you just need assistance, you just need help. If this man gets help, as Mudiwa Hood has started right now, it will assist him. So sometimes the reason why Mudiwa Hood might have posted this is to convince other people to assist Mkomapara and say, iwe watora this part, inorega nditorewo this part. Komapara munhu ari kutambura chokwadi. So somebody might come and say, Komapara ngatingobatanai tivatengere imba. Komapara ngatibatanei tivatengere mota. Komapara ngatibatanei tivavhurire studio. Ani muri kuzviona. All these things can happen. Umwe munhu anogona kungosponsor kuti I'm going to sponsor Komapara album every year. These things might happen. I'm going to sponsor my videos on Komapara. I'm going to do ABCD from Komapara. So I believe kuti this is a story we are in the public domain. Mbudzi yazvarira pavanhu kunzi itandirwei imbwa. And the issue is, let us all help Mkomapara and let us stop criticizing each other. We disagree, but let us stop criticizing each other for the sake of fame and whatever. This is it. I don't know. Munozvoona say, let us talk in the comment section.